up. And then on the other side of town, nangu bafethu, uMinki, noTsikitsiki, baqala ngocansi nje ivela isini. Obviously, I'm not going to show it on the show, ngakhombisa kanjani because there's guidelines on YouTube. But anyways, uMinki wakes up and makes umdoko for the whole family. Nangu gogo yena ufiyaqala lento etafuleni. She dishes up for ugogo, and ugogo shasavela mbuke nje. Hayi uMinki nangu goes on ukuthi hawu bandle njani intombazane uncumisa what and now yazi ke bafethu we are fathers and we love our daughters. Hawu bafethu imjabulisa lento le uTsikitsiki ukuthi hawu bantu hawu umuntu wami ujabuliswa ukuthi nje nginomuntu kanje nengane kanje hayi nangu nayo intombazane iyaqhubeka la hawu bandle kanganani kanjani soba ndawonye we're gonna make ingibele efanayo gonna dress the same way uzoba uminimi what and ugogo vele amtshele straight up at that moment athi hey la wentombazane, whatever thoughts that you have about uncumisa, take them out of your head because it's never gonna happen. Never, ever it's gonna happen. If uthi ufuna uminimi, you need to make your own. Abanye mphathe kahle ubuhlungu lento sisi lento le. Hey, hayibo umpho bafethu. Umpho wakes up with breakfast on bed from Upalisa, and he actually slept over without even realizing it. Hayibo uyabona ukuthi hayibo ngikephi nabo breakfast in bed. Hayibona Palisa, why didn't you tell me ukuthi hey ngilale over time isikhathi ngidlile, you didn't wake me up and I have to go home and so forth. And he eventually goes home and umkakhe thinks to herself ukuthi he was working late and she didn't even bother asking him where he was. Umbona nje siqhubeke kahle semtshela ukuthi ingane seyilungile kanjani hayibo nkosikazi uyaphuma uhle kanje. Hayi asho unkosikazi wakhe lapho uzethu ukuthi ngiyahamba mina ngiyo-interview eRedweni. Then she goes to the interview. Yeah, understand lento leyo. And then nangu bafethu hayi bafethu athola umuntu omusha after the gym session, after onke seqedile igama lo sisi kubani uSindi. She is a referral from a friend. Which friend we do not know, but also she is very interested oma private sessions that uVuvu offers. And uVuvu, as a good guy that he is, he's like, oh, no problem, I'm going to offer you those services. No problem, without a doubt. And they actually do the private sessions. And kuthe kusenjalo uVuvu vele athengela umuntu wakhe futhi ibhegi enzima ebizayo. Hayibo ayabiza ibhegi bafethu eGucci. I think that bag is over 50k. You remember the last time efuna 50k wafuna ukubonga? Yabona ke shuthi imali unayo uyayithola nama private sessions. Anyways, Ubonga takes his father to the doctor to actually get some medical advice as to what is the next step. What should they do? Udokotela asho we need to take an aggressive approach. Kuyona yonke lento yale cancer, we need to do some surgery, we need to do this and that, and the dad is not having it. Baba Kabonga is like, nope, I'm not gonna be doing this. As I've told you guys, I've got a guy, a hosteler, who has medical herbs that I need to take. They're gonna flush out everything in the system. Okay, please, let's not do this. Ubonga tries to convince his father, you know what, this whole thing of this whole surgery is going to be good for you because it's going to give you a better chance of you surviving the whole cancer thing. I mean, I still need you in my life. I still need you as a father. There's a whole lot of things that I need to be taught by you. I'm still a young man. Yeah, I understand that today. And eventually the father does give in and is like, okay, fine, I'm going to do the surgery. Provided now you also need to bring me a wife at some point in your life. Ubonga ke esasuku mesenza yonke lento leyo esaxoxa nobaba wakhe, then the next thing ubaba kusethula empedeni and he actually doesn't know what's kwenzakalani. Yeah, understand lento leyo. They actually took him to the hospital for a checkup ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. Yeah, understand lento leyo. And it wasn't so long ago ehle namajita emtshela amajita ubonga ukuthi lalela, you need to do something about your father. Yeah, understand lento, and he was just boasting ukuthi mina ngizomthengela icoffin enkulu kanjani ngoba ngafuna ukusizakala ufuna ukuhamba indaba zoma hostel nani. Dude, like why ngempela uba so cold-hearted about your father? You need to help him. Do anything, whatever is necessary to help your dad. Yeah, understand lento leyo. But anyways, ulento la umpho goes back again kuPalisa. Like the guy is married, I presume happily married because they're going through therapy and so forth. But why is he doing this? Why is he busy sneaking around? And Nailo Palisa is just not giving him a break. Because as again, and usayana message behle nonkosikazi. And I mean, you see, when there's a third person in the equation, sometimes there's gonna be friction. And already Lisa is not happy with unkosikazi wakhe because she went for an interview and somehow that interview diminished him as a man. Yabo. And this is just a whole feminist thing going on. I don't even want to get into it, because obviously this is a whole different storyline esiyenzakalayo manje. But anyways, aqhubeke nalomshikashika wenzayo noPalisa ngayolo eyoyithengela ahlangane nentombazane omakhelwane baxoxe kube mnandi kanjani and then nesibingi hawu wafika uMinki uthi ya wena usesitolo lana uhlala nabantu labala lesitolo kanje nangu uMinki madoda usethi hayi ufuna ukuyitrapha le ntombazane and lapho nayo utsekethe komile akenzi lutho azalwa nje amantombazane aqhufa nazo yonke lonto leyo bafethu indaba katsekethe nalosikhotheni wakhe intombazane uMinki. But anyways, ubonga amthathe bandla ubaba wakhe masesibhedlela and basalindile esibhedlela i-feedback from udokotela ukuthi what exactly happened. Is he alive? Are they doing surgery or whatever the case? Then there's a friction between the guys. Yabo umpho uyafika naye later ushanga ama-lipstick yasuka kuPalisa ngoba ngishela deep makuPalisa. Nangona ngalana ubonga vele atshele ulento amavari ukuthi hey wena wacela imali kumina kanje uzothengela abantu abathile manje ama-bags of 50k. Uyithathaphi imali? Yabona leyo nto le yonke ivele ibanga inkinga. Hayi basahleli utseketseka vele sayebafisa kusahamba useyahamba yini uyofuna bani manje uMinki. Ngoba uMinki phela ugcina bexabe nemini wahamba kanjalo. Uyafuna uMinki lapha begroove khona untombazana groove khona athi hey lo muntu uhambe no DJ ngazi bani. Tseketseka ahamba yokuba kantombazana. Fika intombazana lapha yana usekhomphuma kantombazana uyabathethisa ufuna uMinki what agcina sefile kuMinki. Usekhiphe nesibhamu, imagine khipha isibhamu emzini yabantu. Wabona mfethu utseketseka ukuthi no man, this woman is not good for me. If kukuthi this is how it's gonna happen, hayi ngeke. We rather just call it quits. I understand lento le. So kwaba yinto ephela kanjalo ke indaba yabo. I think that's how the episode ended, guys. Thank you so much bafethu for watching my review of Adulting Season 2 Episode 5 uphume namhlanje kumhla ka-1 January 2024. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for the supporters. Thank you for supporting my channel bafethu. I will always be grateful. I'm going to continue doing this. We're going to see many shows. I'm going to be reviewing a lot of more extra shows more as the future goes on. Yabo ngifuna ukuthepha indaba zase-America. I mean, come on bafethu. I mean, we need to know ukuthi kwenzakala nama-shows adlala ko-Netflix nako Prime Video and all other streaming services, okay? Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe bafethu.